Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video.
Long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 4K 30 frame per second video recording from iPhone 12 and Galaxy A52, Samsung's new budget smartphone. Let me know in the comments below which camera quality you like the most and how's the stabilization. iPhone can also record in 4K 60 frame per second, but just to keep the video even, I'm recording in 4K 30 because that's the maximum limit for Galaxy A52. This is a video recording from iPhone 12 and Galaxy A52. Now this is shot in full HD 30 frame per second. Samsung Galaxy A52 has a super steady stabilization mode on. So let me know in the comments below which camera quality you like the most and how's the stabilization. iPhone is recording in HD 30 frame per second just to keep the video even. Samsung's footage looks absolutely smooth. Even iPhone is doing an amazing job. This is the video recording from iPhone 12 and Galaxy A52. 4K 30 frames per second.
It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.